Okay, we just had one single sale in our eBay shop today, so this sucks. But just over the last couple of days, it seems like things were improving. We had several sales yesterday. I think we had like $160 worth of sales yesterday, profit. Over 100 the day before that. And then today we're just stuck here with one sale, 40 bucks. Probably by the time we're done packing and buying the shipping label, we're going to be looking at about a $34 profit, something like that. That's my guess. So we're going to pack it up, keep this video short tonight, and hope for the best tomorrow. Right now, let's add those sales from yesterday and Monday to this tally board. So Monday, there were 5 sales. So add that here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Tuesday, yesterday, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's, I mean, Tuesday is just really taking the lead. I don't know what to say about that or why Tuesday would be one of the better days of the week for sales on eBay, but obviously it's going much further down than these other days. So we'll see if that trend continues. Right now, I'm gonna get this one item ready and get it packed and shipped out as soon as possible. Okay, we're back. We're gonna make this the shortest video we've ever had on this channel, so let's just run through it and be done with it. It's already after 10. I came down earlier and was thinking about recording some, because I didn't have any sales and I'm trying to keep my schedule of videos up, you know, trying to do one video a day. I was thinking about filming myself, taking photos and getting some listings ready to go up on eBay, but my camera equipment wasn't cooperating, so I kind of gave up on that idea. But luckily, we got this one sale that came in, so we'll be able to at least make a video today. All right, this is what it is. It's a Radio Shack hazard alert radio, so weather alerts and local warnings. I wonder if I could see that this is going to a very nearby town, and I'm wondering if it's possible that the same person who sold it to me is buying it back, because I think it's like this is generally the area where I bought this. I bought it at a garage sale. How long ago? Just maybe a month ago? 6/6. So what's today? Today is July 9th, so just slightly more than a month ago. It's probably been listed about a month. I bought it for $3 at a garage sale, and a month later it sold for $40. So I wasn't expecting there to be any sales today. It just seemed like one of these days where no sales are coming, which these seem to be happening more and more often lately. I'm not sure what's going on, but I had this listed for $44.99 or $45 or something like that, and an offer came in for $40 even. So when you have no sales, you're going to take an offer. I would have probably taken that offer anyway, but I definitely was going to do it today. You know, on a day like this, I need this 40 bucks. So get this packed and shipped. I think I'll probably take this to work with me tomorrow and send it out through there with the regular mail. I don't want to make my carrier come all the way here just for one package if she doesn't need to. In fact, I put out those 8 packages yesterday and I put in a request for pickup, but when I got home for work, the packages were still here on the porch, so I had to do a little post office run. I got home like 5:40, 5:45 or something like that, and the post office here closes at 6, so I had to really rush to get there. Then when I got home, there was a notification that the pickup was complete. So it's possible that she was coming. She just was running behind a little bit. I'm not really sure, but I'm not going to hold it against her. All right, let's get this one package weighed 1 pound 15 ounces. So just about 2 pounds. Get a shipping label. This right here says 2 pounds 4 ounces. That's how much the buyer paid for, even though it's a little lighter than that. I usually estimate my my weights and sizes, and I'm typically pretty close. I would say probably 75% of the time the buyer pays exactly the amount that it's supposed to be, and then maybe 20% of the time I make a little bit extra money, and then maybe 5% I lose a little bit of money. Okay, purchase this shipping label. It's costing, in this case, the buyer paid $7.44 and the label cost $6.14. So I'm making a little bit of money on this label, but not much. The box probably cost me $1. Okay, I saved that label. Let's go to the printing app. If I just have one package, I'm usually just going to print it directly from the phone rather than trying to do it through eBay. This is how I get myself in trouble. The phone, printing from the phone. Just last night I was talking about shipping 2 packages and only having one label. Like I printed the same label twice on accident, and that was because I did it from the phone. Every time I've made that mistake, which I think I've done it 3 times now, is from the phone. Okay, this one is going just a few miles down the road. Should get there pretty quickly, and hopefully this person will feel safe that they know if there's any bad weather events coming. Okay, that's it for tonight. This is going to be like a 9 or 10 minute video, maybe. Okay, hopefully tomorrow we'll have a lot more exciting stuff to look at and a lot more money to make. So tune in then, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you later. Have a great night. Bye.